Virtudesk PH 9th SummerCon is very special to me because it's nearly a decade and it shows how dedicated, how passionate, and how we collaborate as one. And it is also my pride because I know that this company has one goal and one focus.
Just to let it go, cut the cable short, and the problem solved might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
Hi VD fam, I hope this wonderful experience will last forever. Thank you and let's all have fun.
Dear Virtudesk family, again, we are coming on our 9th SummerCon. And I want to say everybody that it's been an amazing journey for all of us. We are definitely have grown together. We have we have gained a lot of experience. We basically running really strong. The economic times are very tough right now and all over the world, not just Philippines or the United States, just all over the world, people experiencing hardships with an economy. And despite all of that, we are maintaining what we are, our core values, core culture, and we are providing jobs for the people, which I'm most proud of because people who work at Virtudesk have stable income, have benefits, have retirement plan and everything. So all of that, plus all those perks that we organize twice a year, SummerCon and a year-end party for Christmas, that's actually sets us apart from everybody. So I'm proud of that you're part of Virtudesk, you're part of the family. Again, go Virtudesk.
Time and time again that I'm really honored, thankful, and grateful to be a part of the Virtudesk family. And I can speak on behalf of all the account managers that we're really privileged to be working alongside each other. Every year it just keeps getting better and grander for our events, and I'm just really lucky to be here in Cebu. So we want to thank you, OM, Pavel, and I want to thank you, Coach Nika, my cluster, Cluster North. I'm really happy to be here, and thank you, Virtudesk.
Hi Virtudesk, it's been an honor to be here in the beautiful land of Cebu. We're very much excited to be here and play along with all the other folks that are here. And we just want to thank Virtudesk again for having us for a very exciting and fun, memorable moment. Thank you so much, Virtudesk.
Future looks like wow. Yeah, future looks like wow. Oh wow, it's like wow. Yeah, wow. Future looks like call it in now, hit him with the best shot, bring it in now.
Working at Virtudesk for almost 4 years now, it's really an honor to be part of Virtudesk family for almost 4 years, and I can say that I've been enjoying a lot with people, with the leaders that we have in Virtudesk. It's just amazing that we get to experience this kind of event once in every year, especially here in Cebu now. We get to experience the beautiful island. We get to get along with our friends and also the people in Cebu. And I can't wait to be back here in the next few years and enjoy life. Thank you.
Yeah, future looks like wow. Break ground now, hitting with the major. Light beam on, looking like a laser. We got high standards, big dreams for mama. Go and get it, go and get it, go and get it, go. Go and get it, go and get it, go and get it, go. Go and get it, go and get it, go and get it, go. Go and get it, go and get it, go and get it, go. It's coming up right now. It's coming up right now. and it's looking like how?